Do you cough frequently? Do you often have a persistent dry cough, phlegm, or feel chest tightness and shortness of breath? Do you even wake up coughing in the middle of the night, leading to insufficient sleep and fatigue the next day? Coughing troubles many people, especially those with allergic constitutions. Many people are unaware that they or their children have allergies. In clinics, it is common to see worried parents asking doctors why their child keeps coughing despite several visits. Adults may also ask, why does my cough never go away? There is a saying in Taiwan, doctors fear treating coughs, highlighting the difficulty of treating coughs. The causes of coughs are varied, and doctors differentiate the types in clinics. For example, they may identify viral infections, allergies, smoking, working in polluted environments, high life stress, or mental tension as causes. Understanding the type of cough is crucial. Besides medication, physical therapy and preventive medicine knowledge are needed to fundamentally improve symptoms. Therefore, treatment involves not only suppressing the cough, but also controlling bronchitis, treating the respiratory tract, relaxing the airways, and accelerating phlegm expulsion to fundamentally improve the cough. Treatment is divided into two stages: the acute phase using medication and physical therapy, the maintenance and adjustment phase, preventive medicine. The acute phase requires simultaneous treatment of infections and allergies using medication and physical therapy, such as frequent back patting, to help dilute and expel phlegm. Smoking and intense exercise should be avoided during this phase as they increase respiratory rate and depth, irritating damaged respiratory mucosa and worsening the cough. Thus, avoiding intense exercise and allowing the body ample rest and time to recover is crucial. After the acute phase, the second stage of maintenance and adjustment begins. Preventive medicine is a long-term accumulation, akin to needing the right fuel to maintain a car's performance. During the maintenance and adjustment phase, the use of doctor-certified TGF-beta2 immune cell modulators is recommended to improve the constitution, replenishing what the body lacks, enhancing immunity, and reducing coughing. TGF-beta2 whey protein is key to immune balance, fundamentally improving the constitution and effectively preventing and improving chronic diseases. In addition, combining LTRA leukotriene receptor antagonists aids in treating mild to moderate asthma, reducing the frequency and severity of asthma attacks. Following the doctor's instructions to use inhaled anti-inflammatory drugs allows the medication to enter the cells, directly reducing side effects. Cultivating exercise habits such as swimming and jogging helps enhance lung capacity, improve respiratory function, and reduce the frequency and severity of breathing difficulties and coughing. Although coughing is a common symptom, the causes are varied and treatment needs to be tailored to the individual situation. From proactive treatment in the acute phase to long-term management in the maintenance and adjustment phase, a comprehensive approach using medication, physical therapy, and preventive medicine knowledge is required to fundamentally improve cough symptoms. In the next episode, we will explore the treatment methods and preventive measures for different types of coughs.